Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Go that way. No, you gotta be on that side. Come on, I'm trying to go that way. You move. Look at the yellow line. Get over that way. Get over that way, stupid ass. No, get over that way. Come on. Get over that way, stupid ass. You're on the wrong side of the road. Get over there. Come on, turn the wheel that way. Good job. Good job. There you go. Dumbass. That's going on Dashcam lessons.
Maybe. Unlock video. Holy.
Why aren't y'all paying attention? Holy shit!
Jesus Christ!
Jesus Christ.
Highest horsepower outrated production.
Yeah, excuse me.
Chevy's obviously just covers all makes and
Yeah,
to be in
real
line,
funny.
you know, 6s or 4s or anything like that. But you get it. The context is important. All right. So
Look at him. Look at him. Oh, it's beautiful.
Manual recording will now start.
Wow.
Manual recording will now
Go
start.
then. Like seriously, you f***ing idiot. I don't believe you stopped.
Manual recording will now start.
Shit, I am gay, you a sex, you laugh again. Remember days I wonder what we ever win.
Off the video.
What the f you doing, buddy?
Theatrical release ending, the one that you've probably seen, is Mike survives the fire. He's pulled out by the firefighters.
Oh.
He ends up making...
Hey Garmin, save video.
In Target, in by our house.
Manual recording will now start.
Oh my god, bro. Bro. Somebody hit me, bro. Are you serious? I'm dead ass.
We've been mixing it up now.
That was nice.
Yeah, that was really nice.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.